it's me, Marhaba, and I said that I'm Budgie video coming, and I'll tell you about what happened. And this is how I, close her and anything. Okay, Mingo. That's the left-handed team. Mingo's just playing around. She likes to play. Yay, Mingo, isn't it fun? Yeah. Technically, Mingo was the first one to get here, and she was a girl. Then, a few days later, Apple Poet came, and he was a boy. And he ran away at 30 January, and I cried. And he was a boy. And these two fought a lot. Mingo. Yes, play. And that's it. That's the story. And Mingo came at 18 January, I think. And Apple Poet came at 24 January, I think. At 2024. Mingo, wanna play? Oh, Mingo, look, her tongue is so small. Look, awesome. Oh, okay, don't need your fur. Mingo, step up, girl. Step up. I think she doesn't want to step up. Technically, she likes to, I don't know. She's a girl. And she's very, very funny. I don't know why. She's just so funny all the time. Right now, she doesn't know how to step up. Yeah. And I'm gonna show you her cage. So technically, this is her cage, and we are gonna make her swing from this, right? And yeah, and I know she doesn't have toys, and this is normal. And Mingo's very, very lovely. Mingo. Okay, I just called her in her nickname. Her nicknames are Manigo and Mingo and Mingiri. I don't know. Dibi, Mingiri, Bye guys. See you.